Every second, the world generates more data than all of human history before the year 2000 combined. Every click, swipe, search, and heartbeat from billions of people is being collected, analyzed, and stored. You don't see it, you don't feel it, but it's shaping everything you do, from what news you read, to what job you get, to who you might fall in love with. AI is quietly using your data to predict your future before you've even lived it. This isn't science fiction. It's the invisible engine driving governments, corporations, and entire economies. And the scary part? You helped build it every time you went online. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into the power of AI in big data. Big data isn't just about large numbers, it's about patterns. It's every social media post, GPS location, medical record, and digital purchase combined into one massive ecosystem of human behavior. But humans can't make sense of that scale alone. That's where AI comes in. Artificial intelligence doesn't just process data, it interprets it. It finds meaning inside the chaos, turning billions of random data points into insights that guide decisions across finance, medicine, politics, and more. AI makes data think, and that's where the real power begins. AI algorithms learn by analyzing historical data, then use that knowledge to predict what comes next. If you've ever had Netflix recommend your next show, Spotify guess your next song, or an ad appear right after you think about something, that's AI in action. But on a global scale, it's much bigger. Governments use AI to detect disease outbreaks before they happen. Banks use it to prevent fraud, and companies like Amazon use it to predict what millions of people will buy months in advance. Data is no longer just information. It's currency, and AI is the mint. There's a reason tech giants are obsessed with collecting data. It's the most valuable resource on Earth. AI models thrive on data. The more you feed them, the smarter they become. Every app that tracks your habits, every wearable that monitors your sleep, every website that stores your clicks, it's all part of an invisible feedback loop. You give data, AI learns from it. Then AI uses what it learned to influence you to give more. It's self-sustaining, profitable, and nearly impossible to stop. In a sense, we're not just users, we're contributors to the world's largest ongoing experiment in prediction and persuasion. The true power of AI and big data lies not in what it knows, but in what it can decide. AI doesn't just analyze patterns, it creates systems that act on them. Predictive policing algorithms forecast where crimes might occur. Healthcare AIs predict who might get sick next. Credit systems determine who deserves a loan or who doesn't. Data has become the new gatekeeper of opportunity. The danger: when AI misreads a pattern, lives are affected. And because it's powered by probability, not morality, there's no sense of fairness, only accuracy. We often assume AI is neutral. It's not. AI learns from human data, meaning it learns human bias. If the data it's trained on reflects inequality, prejudice, or discrimination, the results will too. For example, recruitment AIs have been caught favoring male candidates. Facial recognition has misidentified people of color at alarming rates. The illusion of fairness is one of AI's most dangerous features. It feels objective, but it quietly amplifies the flaws of the world it was built from. And when those systems make decisions at scale, bias becomes policy. Think about this. Every smart service you use, from your favorite app to your electric bill, is powered by data you didn't even know you gave. Stay with me, because what's coming next reveals just how much of you already lives inside the machine. AI doesn't just see data, it builds profiles. Your likes, interests, fears, and routines form what experts call a digital twin, an invisible version of you that lives inside databases across the internet. This twin knows your habits, predicts your choices, and often decides what information you see online. In some ways, your data double has more influence than you do. It determines prices, recommendations, and even whether algorithms consider you trustworthy. Your identity is being automated, and you didn't sign a consent form. AI and big data drive the global economy. Retailers predict supply and demand before sales occur. Advertisers target emotional vulnerabilities for profit. And investors use real-time analytics to make trades faster than thought itself. The result? An economy that doesn't wait for humans. It preempts them. In this new reality, data is power. Those who control it control the narrative of the world. That's why corporations guard their data sets, like nations guard nuclear codes. Data collection is no longer a byproduct, it's a business model. Your phone, car, and even your home devices are part of an always-on surveillance network. Smart cameras, voice assistants, and wearables constantly feed information into AI systems that learn how to serve you better. But service and surveillance now mean the same thing. We've traded privacy for personalization, and the trade was silent. The question is, did we gain convenience or lose autonomy? To be fair, it's not all dark. AI-driven big data has saved lives. It helps doctors detect cancer earlier, tracks climate change, improves traffic safety, and powers humanitarian efforts across the globe. The same systems that can predict your shopping list can also predict earthquakes or viral outbreaks. The technology itself isn't evil. It's the intention behind it that defines its legacy. Like any tool, it reflects the hands that wield it. We're entering an era where prediction replaces choice. AI systems will soon anticipate what we want before we know we want it. That might sound convenient, but it's also dangerous. Because when our future is shaped by data-driven prediction, free will becomes optional. The real question isn't how powerful AI can get, it's whether we'll still be able to make choices it doesn't expect. AI and big data together form the most powerful force of the 21st century. They're redefining economics, politics, and identity all at once. Data is knowledge. Knowledge is power. And AI is the mind learning how to use it. The challenge ahead isn't collecting less data, it's demanding more transparency. Because in a world where algorithms know everything about us, the only thing left to protect is our humanity. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the world of AI. And in our next video, we'll explore a more personal question. Will AI destroy creativity? From music to film to art, we'll uncover whether machines are helping us imagine more or replacing imagination altogether.